Hi, this is Zach Meir from Master Investor with a look at some Bulletin Board hero stocks on Wednesday, the 13th of May. Starting off with Audioboom, where there's been an extended decline from the peaks of the autumn towards 17-18 pence. Few false dawns on the way down as well, attempted breaks of the 50-day moving average shown here in blue in December and in February. Situation now is that it looks like we've got a rebound off a falling wedge bullish formation around the 5 3/4 pence level, which is expected to snap over the next couple of sessions. If you're cautious on the shares, maybe wait for an end of day close above the 50-day line at 7.83 pence, but at least while the shares remain above the 6 pence zone, the initial target here back up towards the post-January resistance at 10 pence plus, which is also the area of the 200-day moving average at 10.29 pence. So time frame on that maybe the next 2 to 4 weeks. Clontarf Energy, the next stock up on the Bulletin Board heroes. Situation here is that we're looking for basically a rebound to continue here, a bull flag here above the 50-day moving average, 0.44 pence, and a break through the initial May resistance at 0.61 pence. At least while we hold above that, one would be looking for further gains towards the main resistance here between 0.8 and 1 pence, which is the post-December peak zone. If you're cautious on the shares, maybe wait for any dips back towards the 50-day average, but this looks as though with this sort of V-shaped bull flag, it is going to take off over the next few sessions. Metal Tiger, interesting play as well. The excitement here on a technical basis is that we're just being treated to a golden cross buy signal between the 50-day and 200-day moving averages. That's around the 0.81 pence level. We've got progress here overall within a rising trend channel from last summer, from August, with its resistance line projection currently heading as high as 2 pence. So the message at the moment really is that while there's no end of day close back below the 2014 price channel, the 20-day moving average at 0.94 pence, we would be looking for an eventual push towards the 2 pence area. That would happen over the next 1 to 2 months if all goes well. Next up is a stock which I haven't been looking at that much lately, but looks to be very much in focus now. We may actually be in the run-up to a golden cross buy signal between the 50-day and 200-day moving averages, as both are rising. In fact, all near-term moving averages are rising at the moment. We've got this flag formation here above the 200-day line, the 200-day line currently at 1.36 pence, and provided we stay above the initial April 1.5 pence resistance, which is the favored stop loss at the moment, one would be looking for further perhaps significant gains. Just how high the shares could stretch is suggested by maybe this resistance line projection here from August, heading as high as 3 pence, and the floor of the channel there level roughly with the 50-day line. So above 1.5 pence, looking for 3 pence at Powerhouse Energy. Pipehawk, another relatively unsung hero here in the Bulletin Board area. Situation here, another bull flag above the 200-day moving average. That's around the 4.1 pence level. The view now is that while we're above, or at least while we're above this February resistance around 4.88 pence, we should see further significant gains. All of this within a rising trend channel from the end of, or rather the beginning of 2014. Stop loss, end of day close back below 5 pence would be the right technical money management point. Finishing off with ReNeuron, here we've got rising volume here, volume spike in fact, and a breakaway move here. View is that even though we've already seen significant gains, we could head up as high as 7 or 7.5 pence over the next month or so. Stop loss at the moment regarded as being the 10-day average at 4.6 pence, and any dips towards that area in the initial sort of couple of sessions, the rest of the week would be regarded as a buying opportunity. That's it from me. More updates on Twitter at Zach's Traders Cafe.